जनाब, बस है या हवाई जहाज? It's a special day because after long
Finally going together. I mean, there is Obinoj behind the camera.
yes. So the one who is taking the photo is the video is Abhinoj and there is Aditya. So the thing is, after a long time, I'm traveling with a group of friends. These are my oldest friends from school.
I think I am traveling personally. I am traveling for the first time with these two people.
Yes, to Delhi right now. From Delhi, the plan is going to the hills. We are going to Himachal Pradesh. We are going to Manali, Tosh, Kasol. सब कुछ अभी पता है क्या?
नहीं, बाद में
तो देखते रहिए. Plan right now is we're gonna go take our luggage, go out, and take the airport express metro to New Delhi station. From there, we have a place where we'll stash and refresh in Paharganj. After that, you'll see. We'll let you know. लिया है लगेज. फिलहाल जाएंगे एयरपोर्ट मेट्रो की तरफ. वहाँ से जाएंगे NDLS. वहाँ से जाएंगे पहाड़गंज. We'll rest there in Paharganj. Just booked a hotel just to stash our luggage. Main plan is to head to Chandni Chowk and eat at Aslam's Chicken, which is a very famous joint selling chicken and butter chicken. It's known for its butter chicken. Yeah.
Authentic butter chicken.
So yeah, Aslam's butter chicken is the plan. We'll rest a bit and then head to Aslam's Chicken. Now, where is the metro? There it is. Let's go check it out. I've asked them to be kind and not exploit me. अभी देखते हैं ये लोग क्या प्लान करते हैं. क्या पीना चाहते हो? Is the price? Is the price?
Yeah, it's quite cheap actually.
Cheaper here?
Yeah,
cheaper.
Much
Compared
cheaper than
to-
Kolkata.
I've given them my treat. 2 bottles of whiskey, and they have certainly not been kind to me. Have you guys?
Of course not. Why should we? Exactly.
Yeah, I mean,
You're getting paid in. I mean.
in dollars, right?
No.
In
the
fucking
salary of
rupees.
Mumbai.
Oh yeah, right. Okay.
And you are staying in Kolkata for more than 1 year.
Oh, yeah.
Almost 1 year.
Without rent.
Yeah, I mean, कभी-कभी करना पड़ता है दोस्तों के लिए.
Speaker में बोलो donut की आलादा लग.
Yup. So let's go to the metro. दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट अगर आप पहली बार आ रहे हो तो बता दूं कि ओला और उबर के लिए उस साइड है पिकअप पॉइंट. आपको यहाँ पे कुछ टाउट्स मिलेंगे लेकिन इनको इग्नोर करें और आगे जाके ओला उबर लें. और ये रहा मेट्रो सामने. बैग बहुत भारी हो गया है. सामने लैपटॉप है, चार्जर है, पावर बैंक्स है, 2 बोतल दारू है, पीछे रुकसैक है. पहुंच के बताते हैं पहाड़गंज. चलो Currently in Aslam's Chicken at Delhi 6 opposite Dingy Lane opposite Jama Masjid. And Aditya, thank you for bringing us here. And while over here we are digging into its most famous delicacy,
Chicken. Just
Yeah.
look at it.
So this is the butter chicken we are having along with rumali roti, which let me just taste it. Boy, oh boy. The gravy is too good. This is a different kind of butter chicken which I'm having. The one which you have in the, they are usual Muti Mahals and everywhere.
Butter chickens around the world are like that. I have never seen this type of butter chicken anywhere else.
Yeah, but the gravy is the real deal. It may not be covered, there are a lot of pieces. It may not be covered and submerged within a gravy, but what you see over here, the gravy is full and soaked and literally swimming in butter. Here is, you don't get plates and bowls to eat with. Rather they give you rumali roti and butter chicken. You have to eat it directly. All three of us are eating from this entire bowl of butter chicken using our hands without any plates. So you can call this the typical Mughal style of eating. We have gone back in time like Mughal Azam style. बहुत मजा आ रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है. After returning from Jama Masjid, we rested for a while, freshened up a bit, and did some packing, unpacking, which we have done. Did some packing. All packing is done, and from Delhi Paharganj we have come to Himachal Bhavan, and this is the Himachal Bhavan. And our Volvo will be coming here at 6:15 approximately. Our bags are all placed here, as you can see, and the bus will start at approximately 6:30. We are hoping it will be a bit late. 6:45 will be approximate. So we have nothing much to do. Just wait here, wait for our Volvo. So there are two bus companies in which mainly state sponsored and provide the best service from Delhi to Himachal. One is HPGDC, which is run by Himachal Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation, and the other is HRTC, which is run by the Himachal Roadways. So there are two different companies. There are separate websites for HPGDC and HRTC, the links which both I'm giving here. But I will suggest you to book HPGDC because of its repute. So right now nothing much to do. We'll just wait here. और ये रही हमारी बस हिमाचल टूरिज्म HPTDC के वोल्वो. सारा सामान बस के अंदर ही है. 3, 4 और 8 है भुंतर के लिए. 3, 4, 8. All our bags are now inside. We will get down at Bhuntar. We are not going till Manali. Bhuntar is a place around 2 hours before Manali. We're going to get down there. It is going to arrive at Bhuntar at around 4:30 AM, middle of the night, around close to dawn. So that's why our bags were loaded the last. I hope it will be very cold when we arrive at Bhuntar. I'm not adequately dressed for it, but yeah, it will be fun. Feeling really excited. Excitement is really high right now, and yeah. If you want to get on the HRTC buses, I suggest you visit Kashmiri Gate. Sitting in the bus, got our seats. Yes, seats 3 and 4. Aditya 8 at the back. Being in the front seat, we have ample of leg room. Certainly better than SpiceJet. There's ample of place to keep our water bottles, which will get 1 water bottle each complimentary. There is a power socket over there to charge your phone, laptop, tablet, whatever. There are AC vents over there, and the bus has started, as we have seen, at 6:38, 8 minutes past schedule time. The bus has started. सफर शुरू हो चुका है और हमें बॉटल्स भी मिल चुके हैं. थैंक यू. और बॉटल्स भी रख दिए हैं. As you can see, यहाँ पे लेग रूम काफ़ी अच्छा है. सीट्स रिक्लाइनिंग है. यहाँ पे बटन है. ये दबाने से आप रिक्लाइन हो सकते हैं, पसर के बैठ सो सकते हैं, बैठ सकते हैं, whatever. पायदान के लिए भी काफ़ी सुविधाएं हैं. With the pull of one lever, you can adjust your rest. Overall हिसाब किताब काफ़ी अच्छा है. The main challenge will be getting past Delhi's traffic, which is notorious during peak hours. We are going to
Window is quite
Windows are huge. Visibility, no problem about visibility.
brilliant actually. And there are curtains also.
Yeah, this is the Luton's Delhi. Nice. It almost feels like we're a football team. I think the route will be via Panipat, Sonipat, Karnal, Kurukshetra, via Ambala and bypassing Chandigarh, and it will go to enter Himachal from there.
We could have had 1 beer more.
Yeah.
Aditya has something to say. Oh, we have something complimentary. What is this? Vomiting bag. Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. This is a vomiting bag. जनाब बस है ये हवाई जहाज क्या कह रहे थे अभी
No. Should I say that?
Yeah, of course.
Is
बेझिझक
that legal?
बेशर्म
Okay. No, we had one beer, so we
One can
were
of beer.
thinking that we could have had 1 beer more. Then it would have been much fun.
Much more fun, yeah.
फन के लिए तो शराब की कोई कमी नहीं है आपके ऑफिस के फोन आ रहे हैं
आज तो सैटरडे आज
Saturday.
ऑफ सैटरडे है, लेकिन मंडे से आएंगे.
आएंगे इट्स टाइम इट्स हाई टाइम यू लर्न टू से बॉस को बोलो बाय और हिल्स को करो हाय
These 2 days.
$20 kilometers outside Panipat, some dhaba called 70 Milestone. So it must be 70 miles from Delhi, or maybe kilometers from Delhi. 70 kilometers. I don't know why they wrote mile. After that sumptuous lunch we had, let's see what will we have. Maybe we'll have some ice cream or just have a cup of coffee. There is a barista over there. There is a Baskin and Robbins. Or maybe we'll have some quick bites. क्या खाना है? पराठा?
आप पराठे वराठे खाते हैं?
पराठे खाते हैं? चलो देखते हैं. टाइम हो रहा है रात के 10:30 एंड इसी वक्त हम लोग गुजर रहे हैं पानीपत शहर से. खाना खा चुके हैं और सफ़र चालू है. आई थिंक वी हैव कवर्ड अराउंड 100 kilometers and but still have got 430 rather 350 more to go, I believe. Yeah, long way to go. We were expecting that we'll reach somewhere around 4:30 a.m. in the early hours of the day, but now it's 7 a.m., which is pretty late. But yeah, the road was also not good. But leaving Delhi and also the leading up to the expressway outside Delhi, the road was pretty bad, which led to all these delays. But that's something beyond our control. Filhal, seats are very comfortable in this Volvo. It's pushback and recliner. As you can see, I am फंसर के फैल के लेटा हुआ हूँ. अच्छा लग रहा है, काफ़ी रिलैक्स फील हो रहा है. खाना खाने के बाद मतलब फीलिंग वेरी मच कंटेंट एंड हल्की हल्की नींद भी आने लगी है. सो आई गेस आई विल ट्राई एंड गेट सम स्लीप. तो आज के लिए बस इतना तक ही. If you like this video, you know the drill. like, comment what you feel like, share it amongst your friends, and subscribe. And also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Stay with us in this Himachal series. I'm sure it's going to be very, really amazing.